Well, it's 2:10 on Friday, July 6th. Heading out for a solo sail. Winds right now are about 11. Supposed to be between 10 and 15 knots this afternoon. Waves were in the 3 to 5 foot range. They say these are declining to about 2 to 4 as the afternoon progresses. So hopefully it should be a nice fun sail. It's 2:45. Had a bit of a issue coming out, putting the sails up. Tiller pilot decided to stop working. Not sure what's going on there. Power cycled it several times and still doesn't want to work. But right now I got one reef in the main, work jib's up, wind's about 17, doing about 6.5 knots. Seas are 2 to 4. Other than the tiller pilot not working, it's all good. Trying to balance the boat using the tiller pilot standby mode to lock in an angle and adjust the sails so that it maintains a nice steady course. I think we'll get the occasional 5 or 6 footer out here today. Actually had one hit the transom and spill into the cockpit. Surfing at over 7 knots. So I heave to, put out the fenders, drop the main, drop the work jib. Gonna head back in now and see if I can figure out the tiller pilot. Well, it's 3:35, just turning into the Waukegan Marina. That's a quick solo sail. Well, the good news is I figured out why the tiller pilot was stopped working. It's because the port button was stuck down. This part got shoved underneath the housing somehow. Must have pushed it too hard or hit it the wrong way. And so it was constantly on. And tried to read the manual. Nothing came up to tell me what was going on, and I was pressing the buttons trying to see if I could find a reset method, and I noticed that that end was down, and as soon as I pulled it back out like that, it all works properly now. Well, it's 4:07, just docked off again, about 4:30. Winds are 15 to 18. Seas are probably 3 to 5. Got the work jib up, one reef in the main. Doing about 5 knots, 5.5 knots. .45. Winds are still 15 to 18. I think I'm going to go ahead and tack. Kind of head northish, northwest, I guess. Try and get north of the marina, so when I'm getting ready to come in, the wind will be behind me. It's 5:04. Just completed another tack, heading northeast. I'm going to do this for a little bit more, then I'll do another tack to northwest. Then I'll probably run home after that. That's 5:45. Winds are about 13 right now. Probably a mile and a half from the western shore, north of the decommissioned power plant. Winds are on our starboard side, 45 degrees apparent. And I think I'm going to go ahead and turn back towards the marina now. The wind will be on my broad reaching. Let's see if we can get this puppy up to some speed. I-48 just came around to a west-southwest course. Got following seas now. Doing say 5 to 6 knots, 6.5. It's 6:05. Just passing the Waukegan Channel on my way to the Waukegan Marina. Been broad reaching for the last, I guess, half hour. Doing about 5 knots, 5.5 knots. Following seas. At 6:15. Got the sails down, motors on. Just outside the marina entrance. So, had a pretty good couple hour sail there. Big winds, big waves, and a working tiller pilot makes for a much more enjoyable sail.